We all know the pain of melted ice and soggy sandwiches on a long road trip. This tiny box claims to solve that problem forever by turning your car into a deep freezer. But can a 15-liter cooler really handle serious freezing? This is the car refrigerator, a portable compressor cooler, and the performance claims here are genuinely impressive. Let's talk speed. They state it can cool down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. That's incredibly fast for a unit this size, meaning you can load it up and be ready to go almost instantly. If you need serious freezing power, it takes about an hour to reach its lowest temperature of -4 degrees Fahrenheit or -20 degrees Celsius. That wide range, from deep freeze to simple chilling, makes it useful for everything from ice cream to sensitive medicines. The thick material and high-density foam insulation seem to be doing their job perfectly, locking that cold air in tight and ensuring you don't lose temperature quickly. Now, the feature that truly elevates this above a standard electric cooler, the companion app control. Being able to monitor and adjust the temperature from your phone without having to pull over, open the trunk, and fiddle with buttons is a massive convenience, especially if you're driving an RV or a truck. It adds a layer of modern intelligence that feels necessary in 2024. And speaking of driving, they've addressed the inevitable bumps. This unit is rated to operate safely, even at a 30-degree tilt. That anti-shake capability is crucial for rugged roads or boat travel. You don't have to worry about the compressor failing just because the road gets rough. Plus, the noise level is kept down to a quiet 45 dB. That's barely a whisper, ensuring it won't interrupt your sleep or driving concentration, whether it's running in the car or inside your tent overnight. The 16-quart capacity is perfect for weekend trips, fishing excursions, or just keeping a few days' worth of groceries fresh. It's small enough to be truly portable, but powerful enough to be a reliable freezer. Overall, this portable freezer delivers on its promises. It's fast, quiet, and the app control makes the whole experience seamless. If you need serious, reliable cooling power on the go, this 16-quart unit is a powerful and convenient choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.